Hi friends, welcome to my channel Renu's Chalk and Talk. If you are new, please do subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share my videos with your friends and family. Last video, I asked you to prepare list of kangaroo words, isn't it? And here is my list. Let us see those words. Okay. Container, can, even tin also comes. TIN, tin also you can write. Illuminate, lit, regulate, rule, enjoyment, joy, amusement, muse, pantaloons, pants, signal, sign, strives, tries, curtail, cut, allocate, allot. Okay, next. Astound, stun, community, city and county also. Deceased or departed, dead. Destruction, ruin. Existence, is. Inheritor, heir. Market, marked. Capable, able. Capability, ability. Departure, part. Perimeter, rim. So these are kangaroo words. Okay. By doing this exercise, you can improve your vocabulary and then you can understand the meaning of different, because meaning is same, number of words, synonyms also you can learn simultaneously. Vocabulary improves and you can know the meanings of different words. Okay,